Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to look at the Jeecoo Xiberia USB Pro gaming headset. Free to like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Jeecoo Xiberia USB Pro gaming headset. Headset with USB plug, compatible with personal computers, laptop computers. Software is easy to download and install for 7.1 surround sound effect. Gaming headphones with inline controller, volume adjuster, mic volume adjuster, microphone on or off. There is a clip so that you can attach it onto your t-shirt for convenient controls. The customized unidirectional microphone reduces ambient noise for enhanced voice quality, to pick up your voice clearly and loudly. This gaming microphone is flexible and retractable, convenient to use. And noise-canceling technology reduces ambient noise for enhanced voice quality, to pick up your voice clearly and loudly. 50mm speaker unit neodymium magnets, built-in US audio sound card with 7.1 surround sound. All game sound effects and details will come to your ears to provide immersive gaming experience. Go check it out now for more immersive gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.